All right. What's happening? We back. And it's been another week, man. And I just wanted to go back over what played out this week. What we were anticipating, how it played out, and how just making notes for myself, so that we can better effectively, get involved in these markets and take advantage of, this price action. So this week coming into the week, with GU, I was holding along already from an entry on Friday, and I was looking for the bullish price action to continue playing out. The entry on that, buy was here, and you have the market close out right around here. So we're in playback mode, and we're going to play back how it played out. And I'm looking for a price to react somewhere within here to see if it can break out above this range. This red dotted line that I have here is a previous monthly low. I'm looking that price area should be a difficult area for price to actually break through, as well as breaking through last week's high. Last week's high was right in here. So we're looking for it to break last week's high and then come up to this previous monthly low and break through that. And if we go ahead and press play on the price action, you see that Asian range came in on the Sunday, Monday, and you get price starts to attempt to make a low. And usually a low is made sometime between Monday and Wednesday, for the week. And you come into Asian range for a new session, and prices continue to go up. At this point, I'm still holding my long, and I'm wondering if I should actually be letting this long go, or if I should continue to try to hold it through this price point. And as you can see, price starts to reject at this price point and doesn't want to break through. I let my long go and wonder if I can get into a sell at some point. Maybe. So price comes into a new Asian range, and we're looking for price to react within that Asian range. Now, let me tell you something about Asian range. With the Asian range, you're typically going to get a reaction to one side or the other. As you can see from this Asian range, price broke outside of that Asian range, and then it came back within the Asian range to test within that area. Did not come and break that lower side and continue to push up. Here you got Asian range come play out, and price comes up here and it rejects on this side, and then it never comes to the other side of the Asian range to push down. Because at this point, I'm starting to think I can sell, but it never gives that full entry. So this would have been a choppy day to even get involved. This Asian range plays out, and let's see what happens here. You see price starts to push down. At this point, I'm like, okay, we're selling. So I'm looking for an entry to sell. So at this point, what I would have paid attention to is the fact that it came back to test the top of that Asian range, and that would have been a good area to sell. At this point, we're making a low for the week, because you take out the lows that have been made for the week thus far. And so at this point, I'm looking to actually continue my buy so I can see if I can break the other side. And you see the Asian range starts here. So after Asian range plays out within New York session, I will be looking to go ahead and buy. And price goes ahead and makes an impulse move to the upside. You see that we're buying again. So at this point, at the end of the day, I'm looking for another entry to go ahead and continue to buy, or continue holding the long that I do have. You see that price never comes below this range here because of the breaker that was created here, the order block that was created here, the bullish order block on the hourly chart. And the Asian range passes. London session, we continue with our buy, and we close out the week with that buy up there. So as we go into the next week, we're either going to continue buying and come into this range up here, or we're going to come down here. We just have to let the market open and start to give us signs of what direction it wants to take. But I just have to let it play out pay heavy, close attention to what Asian range is doing, see where we're getting rejection at, and get involved from there. But that's my outlook on what happened for the week on GU. Make sure you secure that bag, man. Stay tuned.